Hello my fellow artisans. For this really short video, I just had a really quick special announcement to make. One of my goals as an artist and as a creator is to consistently provide value to other people who also love to do what I do, which is to create. And one of the more effective ways to do that is to actually build a community of people who, in this case, loves to crochet and who also wants to learn how to crochet. Aside from YouTube and other social media, I wanted something else for you guys to get more consistent updates on, some more guidance on, some more involvement, and some more free stuff, which can all be valuable for you. And one of the things you guys were actually looking for were some written patterns for some of the tutorials that I already have on YouTube. And so I'm here to announce that I created a bi-weekly newsletter where you guys can subscribe for free. Now wait till the end because I do have a welcome package for a limited time for those who subscribe early. So this will be every 2 weeks, and you might be wondering, why should I subscribe? What things can I expect from this newsletter? So here they are. Number one, you get early access to my next YouTube video tutorial. So this is perfect for some of you who are really fast or really impatient like me, which means you can make these projects way before anybody else can. Number two, you also get the corresponding written PDF pattern of this specific video, and usually they're about $2 to $4 if you were to buy them from my online shop, but you are getting this completely for free if you subscribe. Number three, you get a written PDF pattern of a previous YouTube video that I already posted. And again, this is normally $2 to $4, but it'll be free for you guys. For those who actually don't even want to make the product, they just want like the physical thing, then I will also give you a discount code for my online shops. This is just for my subscribers. Number five, you also get social media content highlights or things you might have missed from my Instagram, my TikTok, or even YouTube. Number six, you get information and updates on my upcoming in-person events. So normally these are handmade markets that happen around the Greater Toronto area because this is where I'm based, but my future goal is to be able to sell my products and be at events outside of Ontario. Number seven, you get an opportunity to actually choose what my next video tutorial should be. So this would be like a poll or a survey that you guys can fill out. Your opinion really matters because I want to make sure that I'm making things that you guys actually like. And lastly, you do get more convenient communication with me because whether it's like pattern guidance, inquiries, or even like content suggestions that aren't in the poll, it's much easier for you to communicate that with me. You can even send like photos or videos if there's a specific part of a pattern that you need help with. Now this is completely for free and you can unsubscribe whenever you want, so no pressure. Now for a limited time, I will be offering a welcome package for those who subscribe early, and as soon as you enter your email, there's a section of the website that you can unlock, and you'll see there that there are 4 of my most popular crochet patterns on YouTube that I have written as a PDF pattern. Normally this would be like $12 if you were to buy it off of my online shop, but for you guys it'll be for free. And I know that written patterns are actually more convenient, like they're easier to keep track of. You can save it to any device that you want. It's easier to go back to instead of watching a YouTube video over and over again. Anyway, that's it for this announcement. There's obviously more to come. I have put a lot of work into this and I'm really hoping that it provides value to you guys. The link will be in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.